The newer F-150s are absolutely amazing trucks, and I'm totally in love with our 2016 EcoBoost F-150, but these trucks unfortunately don't come with a small price tag, and dropping some coin on them to modify them can be a bit discouraging. And here at CJ's, we offer thousands of parts for these F-150s, but today I'm going to go over my pick for the top 5 budget-friendly mods that you can do to your F-150 to make it even more awesome. Just as a heads up, I don't mention any prices in this video because the second I do, they'll probably change. So if you want prices on anything that we discuss or any more information, click the links in the description down below. The first modification we're going to be talking about, I've mentioned time and time again in previous videos, and I just can't stress them enough, and that's a good oil separator. Now, oil separators are going to capture oil vapor from the PCV system, keeping your intake manifold and intake valves clean. Now, they're great for all F-150s, but they're the most crucial in the 2011 to 2016 EcoBoosts. We offer a bunch of different oil separators here at CJ's, but our most affordable one that will give your engine the proper protection that it needs is the passenger side JLT Performance Oil Separator. It's going to attach to the passenger side of your engine to catch all the oil vapors from the PCV system, preventing them from entering your engine, which can cause poor performance and even engine damage later down the road. We have a video on why you need an oil separator, and we show you some examples of the carbon buildup and how much fluid these catch cans actually catch. And if you want to spend a little bit more money, you can get one for the driver's side of your F-150, but like I said, for the EcoBoost, the passenger side is the most crucial. The next mod we're going to be talking about is super affordable and really easy to install, and it's something that you don't really think you need until you've actually experienced using it, and that is a tailgate assist. Now here at CJ's, we offer 2 different versions. We offer a forward tailgate assist, which we actually have installed on this truck, which is more hidden, but we offer a more affordable version, which is a Dee Zee Assist shock, which isn't hidden like the Ford kit, but it is more affordable and assists the tailgate just like you saw. I know this modification isn't super flashy or exciting, and you may not think you need one, but once you use one and see how nice it is to lower the tailgate without it slamming down, you're gonna fall in love with it. All of our trucks here have some sort of tailgate assist, and when I open the tailgate on a truck without one, I'm actually surprised and wish I had an assist kit on it. This truck does have the Ford Assist Kit installed, but the Dee Zee Kit is going to do the exact same thing. It's going to let it come down nice and smooth without breaking your cables, and we do have install videos for both kits. Our third budget-friendly upgrade that we're going to be talking about is something for you guys that do any amount of towing or heavy hauling with your truck, and that's a Timbren rear suspension upgrade kit. Now, if you do any towing with your truck or put a moderately heavy load in the bed, you know the rear end can sag and squat, making the truck unstable, bottom out, and even drastically change your headlight alignment. This Timbren suspension kit comes with 2 hollow progressive rubber springs that replace the factory bump stops and engage when a heavy load is applied. They practically eliminate squatting, keeping the truck much more level for a safer and more enjoyable experience while towing and hauling. Air springs are also a good option when hauling and towing, but what makes these Timbrens really stand out is once they're installed, you don't need to worry about them. You don't need to fine-tune them, fill them with air or anything like that. You don't need to worry about leaks. Just install them, get the load on the truck, and they're ready to work. The next upgrade on our list is probably my favorite because if you're into aftermarket lighting or other 12-volt powered accessories, it's going to make your life so much easier. The Trigger Accessory Control System is basically a central hub and a wireless controller for your auxiliary lighting and other accessories. We currently have a trigger system installed on a couple vehicles here at CJ's. It's super affordable compared to other control systems, and all you do is connect it to the battery and a switched 12-volt source, and then to your accessories, but there is no wiring for any of the switches. You don't need to run any wires through the firewall or anything, and you control the 4 accessory circuits with the wireless remote or even your smartphone. It makes for a super easy and clean install of all your 12-volt accessories, and not only is it going to save you money, but it'll also save you time. The last thing on our list is going to make your truck look, breathe, and sound a whole lot better, and that's a nice MBRP stainless steel side exit catback exhaust. Now, this isn't the least expensive exhaust that we offer for the F-150, but it's a really good bang for your buck option. This catback exhaust is going to exit before the rear wheels, so there's less piping, which keeps the cost down, and the dual tips make it look absolutely killer. We do carry this exhaust in an aluminized version for around $100 less, but this exhaust is made of 409 stainless steel, which is going to resist corrosion and handle all that road salt and rain a whole lot better, so it stays looking and sounding great for the lifetime of the vehicle. Overall, this is a really quality and affordable option for your F-150, and it's going to give it that aggressive tone and look that every truck needs. So the F-150 doesn't exactly come with a small price tag, but I've just shown you how you can make your F-150 a little bit more awesome without spending a whole lot of money. Everything that we've talked about in this video today can be found at cjponyparts.com. I hope this video helped you out and hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.